Ciao everybody, Katerina here. Welcome to my kitchen. Well, my sweetheart's been away for a few days on business, and he called me last night and said that he was craving our chicken thighs with balsamic vinegar and tomato sauce. It's so delicious, and of course I'm going to make it for him. Now let's get started. I have 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 8 chicken thighs. I'm just going to salt them with kosher salt on both sides. The other side, dredge them in all-purpose flour, shake off the excess, and in the frying pan. Inside down first. Now we're just going to leave it for 3 minutes on each side. Now I'm going to turn them around. You see that wonderful crispiness? That's how you want it. Lowering my heat, and I'm going to remove the chicken thighs, and I'm just going to place them aside and let them rest. 3 garlic cloves crushed, 8 anchovies packed in olive oil. I'm going to add this now. Break up the anchovies, 3/4 cup of green olives, 2 bay leaves. Let everything saute together for a few minutes. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, a teaspoon of rosemary, half a cup of balsamic vinegar. Let everything cook and come to a nice boil and leave it for about 1 minute. Now that it's bubbling like this, we're going to add half a cup of water, 1 cup of passata. I'm returning the chicken thighs back into the pot here. And I'm going to throw in all these wonderful juices. Half a cup of chicken stock, a little bit of salt. I'm going to cover this and let it simmer for 1 hour. 1 3/4 cup of chicken stock. I'm going to bring it to a boil. And my chicken stock is boiling. I'm going to turn off the stove. I'm going to add 1 cup of couscous. Give it a really good mix. And just leave it alone. Add 1 teaspoon of dried basil. So it's been half an hour that it's been sauteing. I'm just going to give it a nice mix. Oh, it looks amazing. If you could only smell my kitchen. Oh, it looks wonderful. Okay, another half hour to go and we're ready to eat. My chicken thighs with balsamic vinegar and tomato sauce on a bed of couscous is ready. My husband is thrilled, and I'm just going to taste it for you. You saw how easy this recipe was to prepare, and it's so delicious. The smell, oh my God, the aroma is wonderful. So moist. And the balsamic vinegar just jumps in your mouth. So good. You must try this recipe. It's Katerina, from my home to yours.